Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today we're at Target where we'll be grabbing over $100 worth of items and paying less than $10. Before heading to the store, check your Target Circle account to see if you received one of these home care category coupons. Mine was for $10 off a $45 purchase. So let me show you the amazing deals that you can do at Target this week. So thanks to that home care category coupon, we'll be able to get Persil laundry detergent at an amazing price. So grab 2 bottles of liquid Persil detergent priced at $12.99. We have a $3 Target Circle digital coupon. That's a store coupon, not a manufacturer's coupon. So it'll apply to all of the bottles that you choose to buy. We're also adding one of these Persil packs priced at $13.69. That same $3 Target Circle coupon will apply to this product. Plus, I still had one of these $2 hang tags that I found at Walmart a few months ago. Grab one of these Airwick advanced warmers priced at $3.99 and clip this $4 digital coupon. If you choose to purchase this on its own, that category coupon will reduce to $3.99, making this completely free. But since we're using that category coupon, this digital coupon will adjust down a little bit. So I'll let you know how much that coupon ended up taking off. The last product you're grabbing for that home care deal is one of these Glade air fresheners priced at $2.39. These are all the items you should have in your cart. So the subtotal for all of these items comes up to $46.05. The Airwick coupon ended up deducting $2.81. So we are using $23.81 in coupons, bringing the total down to $22.24. Then we're submitting a receipt to Ibotta to get $4 back for each bottle of Persil, plus $1.50 for the Glade. So that's $13.50 coming back from Ibotta, making all of these items $8.74 or just $1.75 each. So we're off to a great start. Now let's go over some more amazing deals. The Shea Moisture deodorant is priced at $9.99. Clip this $3 digital coupon, bringing the total down to $6.99. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $4 back, and to Fetch to get 2,500 points, which is equivalent to around $2.50, making this just 49 cents. The Shea Moisture bar soap is priced at $5.99. Clip this $2 digital coupon, which will bring your total down to $3.99. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $3 back, and to Fetch to get 1,500 points, which is equivalent to around $1.50, making this bar of soap a 51-cent moneymaker. This Silk Kids oat milk is priced at $5.29. Clip this $2 digital coupon, which will bring the total down to $3.29. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $3 back, making this just 29 cents. The Sunset Probiotic Soda is priced at $2.49. Pick up 3, which will total $7.47. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get 50 cents back for each one. Plus, you'll earn a 50-cent bonus for redeeming that offer twice. And submit your receipt to Fetch to get 2,000 points when you purchase 3 and 1,000 points for each one. So that's $2 coming back from Ibotta and around $5 coming back from Fetch, making 3 cans of Sunsip 47 cents or just 16 cents each. If you still haven't done the freebie Sunsip offer on aisle, watch this video to get information on how to redeem for that offer, which will make this deal a moneymaker. The Tandy Gummies are priced at $3.49. I had an aisle offer that gives me back $1. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick to get 450 kicks, which is equal to $1.80, which makes this pack of gummies just 69 cents. These Cesar wet food pouches are priced at 79 cents. Shopkick is giving back 150 kicks, which is equal to 60 cents, making this just 19 cents. I'm not picking these up today, but still wanted to share. So Shopkick also has offers for the Cesar warm bowls and the packs of wet dog food. So you can pick up one of the Cesar warm bowls on the top, priced at $3.19. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick to get 300 kicks, which is equal to $1.20. Making that just $1.99. You can also pick up the packs of wet food on the bottom. Those are priced at $1.29. And Shopkick has this offer for 175 kicks, which is equal to 70 cents, making this just 59 cents. And I was so happy to do another field agent offer. So this one was in the ratings and reviews section, which will pay me for the full price, including the tax that I paid, plus a $3 bounty. So I'll be paying $24.99 for this Native Pet goat milk product, but I'll be getting back a total of $27.99, making this a $3 moneymaker. And always remember, whenever you do any field agent offers, to always buy them on their own on a separate transaction from everything else that you purchase. That way you'll get reimbursed for the tax that you paid. If you still haven't tried Field Agent, I will have the referral link in my description. And this is everything I picked up at Target today. The subtotal for these items comes up to $104.06 minus $30.81 in coupons. The total came down to $73.25. But I did receive this 10% store-wide purchase coupon because I am a school employee. I verified my status sometime last year, and this is probably the second coupon that they sent me. So if you also work at a school and you already verified with Target, check your Target Circle offers to see if you received one. So that coupon ended up deducting an additional $6.01 from my total, which lowered the cost to $67.24. But I got back $25.50 from Ibotta, plus $27.99 from Field Agent, $9.50 from Fetch. I don't know why I received an additional 50 cents for this kombucha offer, but I'm not complaining. Plus $2.40 from Shopkick, making the final cost for over $100 worth of items just $1.85 or 13 cents per item. If you don't have the 10% teacher coupon, but you do have all of the other offers and coupons, your final total will be just $7.86, which is still a really amazing deal. The Target deals end on Saturday, May 10th, but the rebate offers can end before then. So if I were you, I would plan a Target run sometime soon. If you're new to any of the rebate apps mentioned in this video, I will have the referral links in the description. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money-saving content. God bless.